cook is authentic, original from Italia. Bruschetta. Look at this.
Yeah,
Can you see?
yeah.
Kacoolest?
Italian and
Can you
Thai fusion.
Yes,
It's got-
Italian and Thai fusion.
It's got clams
Ooh.
and it's spicy.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
Good morning mga kakulas from the beautiful island of Koh Kood. Since we don't have nice beaches right now, again, monsoon season, it's July. Ngayon po ay ipapasyal namin kayo sa waterfalls. Woohoo! Are you ready mga kakulas behind me?
Yeah.
My God naman, Billy, walang energy.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Billy? So the first one mga kakules,
Yes.
the first one mga kakules, this is Klong Yaiki. Again, you're wondering, how do we get here? How to get around the island? Rent a motorbike. 300 baht per day. So this is it. Dun, 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 dun. Mga kakules, this is it. It's a bit of a trek. The road is very
Steep.
steep. At my goodness, mga kakules, I can hear the sound of the water. Woo! So mga kulas, unfortunately, again, we came here, it wasn't raining, but it was cloudy. Right now, it's raining so hard. So nakikita nyo yung waterfalls, it's really beautiful, but it's very strong, very rough. So this is it. I'm just gonna feel the water. Woo!
Slow.
Woo! Ayan mga kulas. This is the only spot that I can stand on. You can see it's beautiful. But again, it's monsoon season. Woo! 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 Basta! So, we are heading to the next waterfall. Find from the idea. Woo! So mga kakules, this is our second waterfall for today, Klong Chau Waterfall. Actually, this is the biggest one. Again, right now, it's monsoon season. Again, I said it, monsoon, monsoon, monsoon. The first one, Klong Yai Waterfall, last time mga kakules, last time we came there, we went swimming and we jumped off the cliff. It was very fun, very nice. And another tip mga kakules, if you want to enjoy Koh Kood, both beaches and waterfalls, I think the best month to come here, October, November, December, January. This is my third time. When we came here last year, it was April. The beaches, they were all beautiful. Sunny, blue sky, crystal clear water. O diba? Ang sarap. Ay nako, basta. But no waterfalls. Lahat ng tubig, they were all dry. And now, the waterfalls are very beautiful, stunning, but it's very rough. You cannot swim. And also the ocean. It's rough because again, monsoon, monsoon, monsoon. Tara, excited na ako kasi I wanna go swim in the fall.
This is Hotel Waterfall.
Satisfied? just left Klong Chau Waterfall. So ganito siya. This is what happens when you go to Koh Kood during monsoon season. Na-stuck kami, maliit na water, what do you call this? Waiting shed.
Yeah, it's like a little tent on the side of the road.
Ang lakas ng ulan, nakamotor lang kami. So hindi siya safe mag-drive. So we're just gonna hang out and maybe vlog some Italian food. Woo! Okay, say something mga kakules.
We need some beer.
Beer.
Beer. Oh,
Beer.
where was from? Beers. Beers. More than one plural. Plural beers. Oh, and limoncello.
Lemoncello.
Limoncello.
So mga kules, this is it. Pizza and pasta here in Koh Kood, our favorite island in Thailand. The food here is just very, very impressive and delicioso because again, our cook is authentic, original from Italia. So this is our first, what do you call this? Appetizers. Bruschetta.
It's good. Up a little bit. Right there.
Garlic bruschetta. And the other one is bruschetta with ham, bacon, mozzarella cheese, and mushroom. Wow. It's really good. The food here, ang daming options. They have so many selections of Italian or Western cuisine. Different kinds of pizza, different kinds of pasta, and the price is not bad.
Yeah, it's worth it.
It's worth it. It's pizza for 300 baht and it can feed at least 3 people, so it's not bad.
Or me.
And the pasta is like 260 baht, but it's a big serving. So if you go to Koh Kood, please visit Pizza and Pasta. And different kinds of drinks, of course. They have beers and wine and limoncello.
Oh,
Yan.
limoncello.
So let's try the garlic. Olive oil. Wow. What's not to love?
Put some oregano in it as well. Put some oregano in it. Slowly.
Not too much.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, it's really good.
So good. I told you.
Let's eat. It's really good. 200 baht only mga kules. And it's really good. It's worth every penny. Napakasarap.
Oh, that looks delicious. 4 cheese pizza.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh. Ooh.
Is that not delicious?
It's delicious too. Ooh. Wow. It's hot. We've been to some Italian restaurants in Bangkok, but this one,
By far the best.
by far.
Really stands out.
Do you agree, Billy?
Yeah.
Billy is a foodie too, and he loves to go and eat around Bangkok. But Matt, shout out to you. Go to Koh Kood for
This
this.
really stands out, Matt. You should try this one.
Oh my god, that's really good. The 4 cheese is good. Oh yeah, yeah.
Carbonara.
Carbonara.
Oh.
Again,
Look at the serving though.
yeah, big serving definitely. And it's really good. The noodles is al dente. Whoa! And you say, wow, look at this. This is Thai and Italian fusion. Ooh.
Oh, look at that
Seafood.
Oh, that's your
Woo!
jam.
I'm gonna try carbonara first for the kacoolest.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is better than Bangkok pasta.
For sure.
By a long
By a long mile.
Say mga kulas, what can you say about the food?
It's
Delicioso.
delicioso.
Oh,
I like the way it's cooked. It's
perfect.
That's a
perfect.
carbonara. Bro.
Al dente.
I'm actually really interested to see how you like that. 'Cause
Can you
that's got
see?
everything. Yeah,
Can you
it's got-
see?
Yeah.
Kakules?
Italian and
Can you?
Thai fusion.
Yes,
It's a-
Italian and Thai fusion.
It's got clams,
Ooh.
and it's spicy, and
Squid,
Squid.
shrimps, clam. This is actually my first time ever.
ready?
Yes,
What's the name of the pasta?
Thai, Italian Thai. Egg. I don't know. Oh,
Say it again.
Fantasia Italtai.
Fantasia Italtai.
Italtai.
Italtai. Wow.
What do you think?
It's really good. It's different, but it's good. Wow. Because it has coconut milk, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Billy, please try this. The seafood is fresh.
You like that?
Yep.
can't
Sarap.
I'm not a big fan,
No.
to be honest.
Yeah.
I've never been a great fan of gnocchi.
Would you try it for me? Just a
No,
little
baby,
bit?
I can't eat that.
Just a little bit.
seafood, dog.
I know, just a little bit. Let's see. It's good. It's different, but it's, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Right? It's
Oh,
good.
no, that's good. Oh, yeah. And it's not real spicy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's actually pretty good.
It tastes like creamy because of coconut milk. It has shrimp, mussel, clams, and squid. And it's just really tasty. It's creamy. It's a little salty, a
Spicy.
little sweet, and spicy. Yep.
Everything.
Everything in one. Fantasia Italtai. That's the name.
Italtai.
And then wine for Billy Boy.
Not drunk.
No.
I'm sleeping.
That's how you do it. This is how you do it, right?
you do it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like this, like this.
Do your best Mark Weens. Oh, wow.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, that's funny.
Mark Wins could be eating like a cow balls and he would say, wow.
You say cow balls?
Yeah, because I watched this one
He's
eating
getting
some,
sheep testicles. And he's
yeah, like that. Wow. I couldn't be Mark Wins. Mark Wins is more, I think he's
you're
cooler
Chris
than
Weens.
me. Yeah.
He's cool. Yeah, he can eat.
He can eat almost anything.
We can outdrink him.
We can outdrink him though. He doesn't drink, so.
Ang sarap. Look at this rib.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Hello, Imak. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks big and fatty, muscle,
Yeah.
huh? That looks like almost like a tongue.
It's really good. So mga coolest, this is the chef, the person behind this
Owner, operator.
beautiful, magnificent, fantastico, delicioso Italian food here in Koh Kood. Mr. what's your-
Alessandro.
Alessandro.
Ciao.
How long have you had this restaurant?
15 years.
Oh, why Koh Kood?
I've been stuck. I got stuck in Koh Kood, and yeah, I fell in love for the island. Came in vacation, and then decided to open a business.
Oh.
Yep.
And mga coolest, he is an authentic Italian.
Yes.
I mean, real Italian.
Buongiorno a tutti.
Yes! So nice meeting you.
My pleasure, my
We
pleasure.
are actually very lucky and honored to actually talk to you and see you in person
And
because
eat your food.
and eat your food because again mga kules,
It's delicious.
kidding aside, besides some Thai restaurants around Koh Kood, this pizza and pasta is a must try. We have been to Italian restaurant in Bangkok because we live in
Italy.
Bangkok mga kules. And this by far is probably the best Italian food
Oh, yeah, by far.
in Thailand,
Yeah, it's really good.
which is in Koh Kood Island.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
Can you teach me how to say, can I have a discount please? How would I say that in Italian?
Fammi uno sconto, altrimenti. No, I'm just kidding. I'm joking.
Yeah, do that.
Is it, is it
I was
also
kidding.
an Italian culture? Can you ask discount if you are in the flea market?
Yes, of course.
Okay, just like Thailand, we can ask
Yeah,
discount.
can ask to find a better deal.
Yes,
let's
yes.
say like
If
that.
I buy more than
Italian
one,
È possibile un piccolo sconto?
è possibile,
Un piccolo sconto.
è possibile un
Un piccolo? Super.
That's
è possibile un piccolo sconto.
Bravissimo.
Grazie. Marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Sawadee ka Thailand and see you in the next vlog.